true diversity.
MPCC President and Shillong MP Vincent H. Pala, while expressing concern over the pact signed between Meghalaya and Assam last year to settle dispute in 6 out of 12 areas of differences, said that the government has not resolved the problem, rather it was made more complicated. The pact was signed without taking into consideration views of the ground-level people and all the stakeholders, as Meghalaya's land tenure system is different from that of Assam, he added. He suggested formation of a boundary commission to find an amicable solution to this vexed issue.
So we should discuss with the same, with the council, with the villages, with all the stakeholders. It is not that whether it's 12 or 22, whatever you say, different areas, the boundary dispute this government has not solved it. Rather, they made it more complicated. So when we do we try to solve the border, we have to discuss with people at the ground. Actually, in Meghalaya, because of the land tenure system, is totally different. The culture is totally different from Assam. So we should discuss with the same, with the council, with the villages, with all these stakeholders. It is not that a chief minister once sits in a 5-star hotel and another chief minister and say that we solved the problem.
The BJP National Secretary Tarun Chugh today campaigned for the party